Ecclesiastes 7 verse 19. Wisdom strengtheneth the wise more than 10 mighty men which are in the city. There's a message of the Lord for you today, that He wants you to have His wisdom. And He doesn't want you to get surrounded by people who keep on sinning. And God wants you to linger in Him and to be so close to Him, and He doesn't want you to depart from His words. And He doesn't want you to leave Him behind, but He wants you to be in front of your life. And God wants you to live life that pleases Him. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.